Nobody knows what tomorrow brings. You could wake up and find that you've gone from living a comfortable life to being homeless. Knowing what assets to protect can be the difference between living your best frugal life or sinking into financial abyss. Protecting these assets have been proven to save you loads of green paper. Hey everybody, and welcome to Frugal Facts. Today we're going to go over the 10 assets you must protect to save your money. Frugal living tips. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so we can help you with saving tips regularly. Now let's get straight into the video. Number 10. Health. Health is one of the most important assets that we have. Good health is crucial to ensuring productivity and progress. If you're unhealthy, you can't work. And even if you can, you use that money to get treatment. Hospitals are not cheap. For-profit hospitals have a profit margin of 11%. Non-profit ones have a 7% margin, while public hospitals have a 5% profit margin. All that money comes from the insanely high medical bills you pay when you're sick. Medical coverage helps you in case of a health issue and you can't cover the bill from your pocket or with just the government's aid. Just find a health insurance plan that fits you and your family and you will save hundreds of thousands of dollars. Keep in mind that no health insurance is free. You have to pay some money as well, such as deductibles and co-pays. For example, if you have listed your deductible as $2,500 and your hospital bill amounts to $7,500, the insurance is responsible for $5,000. The $2,500 comes from your pocket. If your hospital bill amounts to $1,800, you will pay all the money from your pocket because the amount is lower than your deductible. But health insurance is very important and saves you a great deal of money. You can also eat healthily and keep fit to keep lifestyle diseases at bay, and you won't have to visit the hospital. Number 9. Your house. There are many ways people might sue you about your house, and protecting it is necessary if you want to avoid being homeless. People sue people for the slightest reason. A tree may fall on your neighbor's roof and you get sued for the damage. Someone may fall on your snowy porch and you get sued. Or the classic greed of your family members wanting the house for your grandpa that you're named after, left to you. But you can protect your home from grabbers and material possession-driven people. You can take home insurance and protect against many of the things that cause you to lose your home. Imagine losing a house you saved money for 10 years. Heart-wrenching, isn't it? Well, it happens. But you can protect your home from being lost by taking a homeowner's insurance policy. This insurance is a must-have. It protects you from interior and exterior damage, disasters such as fire, vandalism, tornadoes, hurricanes, among others that can destroy your home. With homeowner's insurance, you can get compensated for all the items you have lost. Personal liability for injury or damage. This clause is awesome. It protects you from being sued by others for injury acquired on your property. For example, if your kid's brawl breaks the neighbor's window, you're covered. If your pet bites someone, insurance has got you covered too. These and much more allow you to keep your hard-earned money in your bank. But being covered doesn't mean you treat your neighbor poorly. You can opt to pay for the window, but insurance tells you that you don't have to. Pretty empowering, right? Number 8. Teeth. Teeth are important. Not only do they enable us to exercise our canine abilities by chewing on those chicken bones, but they also shape our mouths. Imagine having no teeth. Your cheeks would just sink in. You'd never smile, and because a smile can open a world of opportunities, the best things in life will just pass you by. But you can avoid all that by making sure you're on top of your dental problems. Implants are expensive. They can run into the hundreds of thousands of dollars to have your whole mouth done. This could save you a lot of money. Besides that, you have exclusive benefits for routine cleaning, x-rays, and all other things that scare you into sitting under the dentist's probing light. You can choose your dental coverage depending on affordability or what you want. Number 7. Car insurance. Your car is your commute to most places. It also acts as your U-Haul for when you don't want to hire a truck or transport your furniture. But roads are unpredictable and it's impossible to know what might happen in the next minute. For example, a rock may roll and fall on your hood. A tree can also fall on your car, completely totaling it. In case a disaster like that happens, you're covered. Protecting your automobile helps you save money in the sense that you don't have to get money from your pocket to buy another car. In another scenario, you hit a motorcycle and hurt both the rider and the motorbike. One thing you should not do is flee the scene. Help the injured and call the police. It's important to have personal injury protection. also known as no-fault coverage. In case of any injury, you can claim it from your insurance. If your car is comprehensively covered, the insurance company will pay for medical expenses for the rider and the motorcycle. This helps you save your money because expenses can amount to thousands of dollars. Did you know that riding a motorcycle is more dangerous than driving a car? Motorcycle fatalities are 28 times higher than those of car accidents. Number 6. Business. We all want to own a business. The feeling of being your own boss is liberating. But of course, being your own boss means working twice as hard, enduring more work stress, and being the topic of discussion and bad jokes from your workers if you're a bad boss. But it also means that some may file a lawsuit against you for injuries acquired while at work. Also, your business may suffer damage from riots, fires, hurricanes, and other disasters that you may not foresee. Your partner may also want to overthrow you if you're not careful. Having insurance is important for your business. You may have to pay for damages and liability claims from your pocket if you're not insured. Other advantages of having business coverage include helping to minimize financial losses, covering injuries, covering liabilities caused by violating advertising rights, helps in risk sharing when the business suffers losses. Ensure you have a coverage for your business whether big or small. It'll help save you money and your company image in case of any damages or lawsuit files. Find out the coverage that suits your type of business and choose the one that works for you best. Number 5. Personal possessions. Personal possessions refers to things you carry with you every day, such as laptops, phones, tablets, cameras, etc. In this millennial era where gadgets are ruling our daily lives, many people are in a rush to get the latest technology. In this age of making money on the internet and taking daring, death-defying selfies, you need a gadget that is advanced in technology. But these gadgets are not cheap. The good news is, with protection, you don't have to worry about losing them. Buying a coverage for them allows you to use them without knowing that in case of theft or damage, you don't have to wait another 12 months to buy another one. Your coverage has got you. You can protect your laptop, smartphones, tablets, and other devices. You pay an annual coverage or monthly coverage, whichever is easy for you, but you get to save so much more. Number 4. Your land. Land trespassers are everywhere. If your vacant land is not protected, you can lose millions of dollars. Having land is expensive anywhere in the world, and what's more, it appreciates while other assets depreciate. You can protect your land against grabbing, storms, and other natural disasters. You save money. You do have to pay for the insurance, but you save more when you protect your land. For example, if someone has trespassed on your land and gotten injured, they can file a lawsuit and win if you haven't protected it. Vacant land insurance helps you save money by getting the insurance to pay for any medical bills incurred by someone that has gotten hurt on your unoccupied land. Protecting it means protecting your savings account from becoming, well, vacant. Number 3. Job insurance. Yes, this is a thing. You can insure against job loss. This type of coverage helps you earn a certain percentage of your previous income in case you lose your job as you look for another job. Many people worry about how they'll pay their bills in case they are let go from their current positions. While it is difficult to manage without finances, taking a job loss coverage cushions you in those times of uncertainty. Keep in mind that if you have a labor union or employer-sponsored benefits, you don't need to buy a premium coverage for job loss. Before buying one, also check whether you qualify for state unemployment benefits. But those are APID for only 26 weeks or shorter. Depending on the state you live in, and it is a percentage of your weekly wages. It can save you money if you don't want to touch your emergency fund or you just don't have it. Number 2. Electronic appliances. If you have bought a single electronic appliance, you know they don't come cheap. Appliances like TVs, washing machines, cookers, home theaters, refrigerators, etc. can cost you well into hundreds of thousands of dollars. You also know that if they get damaged, you have to take money from your own pocket to buy a new one. Disasters like fire, floods, or even a power surge can trigger a sequence of events that can damage all of your home equipment. Protecting them ensures that if anything were to happen, the cover would compensate you and you would save your money. With homeowners insurance, you can protect your appliances, but you can also buy insurance separately. Go get your appliances coverage now and you'll never need to worry about losing money ever again. You save your money and you get your new appliances. That sounds like a great plan, don't you think? Before we get to number 1, Make sure to check out the links in the description for our best recommendations to boost your savings. And finally, at number 1, your bank account. Did you know that you can protect the cash in your bank account beyond the maximum amount the FDIC allows? If that is your goal, we'll tell you how. The FDIC allows a maximum amount of $250,000 for an individual bank account holder. For example, if you have 2 individual bank accounts with the same bank with $250,000 in each, the FDIC will only insure $250,000 if it is in both accounts combined. That means you have $250,000 that is not insured. If you want to protect all your cash in case your bank fails, you can open up a brokerage deposit account and the FDIC will keep it federally insured for up to $500,000. This helps keep your money safe. If your bank failed, you would not lose a single cent of your money. Better yet, instead of keeping your money in a bank account, invest. Investing earns you more money, hence saving you much more. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos on saving tips and much more. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos on saving money tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.